Fumigation 3-piece set. There is a fumigation hood, fumigator and hair basin. Take the fumigant out of the box before we use it. There are accessories in the fumigation machine. This is a diffuser. There are many small holes nearby. The gas will rush into the box. It emanates from the small holes around. No scald. This is the fumigation plug. We'll put it on the basin. These two are fumigation hoses. The long one is connected to the outside of the basin, short connected in the basin. Let's install the fumigation plug. Let's get the fumigation plug and turn it off. The fumigation plug is long on one side and short on the other. The short one is in the basin. It grows outside the basin. Then screw on the adapter and fix it. After fixing, we get the long hose. Long connector inserted outside the basin. Short hoses and diffusers. Interface inside the basin. Installed. Before we operate the steamer, first connect all these accessories, then get the fumigation cover. Before use, we need to put EL of water into it first. We put EL water in the fumigation pan. After we put the water in, we put the lid on. We also need to use explosion-proof screws. Tighten. Finally, we put the fumigation hood. Put it away. The fumigation cooker can be electrified. Press the switch first. We can see the time gear. Set the required time first. Then pour the cold water into the pot. Let's set gear 9. After the water boils, we adjust the gear, pause or fix gear. Keep steam input in the steaming pot. We have finished the fumigation of 3 sets. We have a remote control for the fumigation cooker. It is now on. Gear. Time. Now let's introduce the use of the hair basin. When using, we turn the headrest down, then put the hair basin directly on the headrest frame. The customer's head is placed here.